On 13 April in the year 1919, Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place, and Winston Churchill, in a parliamentary speech, claimed the massacre was an episode without precedent or parallel in the history of the British Empire. It is an extraordinary event, a monstrous event, an event which stands in singular and sinister isolation. We have to focus on the words singular and sinister isolation because someone published a paper 32 pages long on just these words. This is not the British way of doing business, highlighting that the atrocity was not a British responsibility. It was instead solely attributed to one man, General Dyer. पेपर के टाइटल में it is the historiography of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, an essential but unacknowledged strategy of the empire. इसमें strategy कहाँ आती है? If the world believed that Dyer was going through a mental illness, the massacre became a medical accident, and फिर भी Churchill की speech held truth that yes, this was a singular event. And if the public believed that Dyer was in his sane mind, his actions would then be shown as un-British. ये तो वो करते ही नहीं है, तो ये एक ऐसे exceptional case हो गया. Go back further to 1872. 68 Sikhs were executed in Punjab without trial, and the method blowing from guns. 1879 Zululand, systematic massacre of wounded combatants after battle, framed in historiography as individual vengeance. As you read further, Carolyn Elkins found that 3.5 tons of archival files from Kenya, files documenting British repression during the Momo Rebellion, they were destroyed. And the unacknowledged strategy of empire, कि जब भी आपको लगे कि पार हाथ से जाने वाली है, कि कहीं पे एक brimming of revolt है, that's when you need to slaughter the people. Levin argues that the slaughter of the enemy after battle was not, as most historians have suggested, an overreaction by the white troops, but an essential but unacknowledged part of the British strategy, emerging from the pathology of empire whenever confronted with defeat. उनकी 1857 से जो कुछ भी हो रहा था उसने हल्की हल्की एक एंग्जाइटी ब्रिटेन पार में डाल दी थी. This unacknowledged part of British strategy is arguably the concurrent pathology present in Dyer, which also led him to slaughter the helpless in response to extreme colonial anxiety, fearing of defeat.